Alright, here we go. I've got to have it running for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, idle and revving up a little bit. I'm trying to. Turn that off. It goes back to pumping it. All the way down, all the way down. Nope. Off the lights. Sounds like a misfire, but I'm not sure. Got 2 plugs per cylinder. I don't know how it can misfire so much, but let me know what you think.